Hi there. My name is Deanna Hansen. I'm the founder of Fluid Isometrics and Block Therapy, and I am very excited to be here at the summit sharing with you how to improve mobility, especially related to frozen shoulder as we go through time and we reach that wonderful period of menopause in our lives. So I'm going to give you a little bit of an introduction about fascia, the tissue that we work in. Then I'm going to share some before and after photos of people that have gone through the journey and made tremendous progress. Then I'm going to take you for a wonderful little demonstration of fascia decompression, primarily in the rib cage, so that you can really understand how this impacts shoulder mobility. For this, you will need a full-length towel, and in the class, we'll show you how to roll it up. And then if you're interested in diving further into this, these are the blocks, the tools that we actually use for the process, and we talk about that in the class as well. So I'm so grateful to be here on the summit sharing this with you, and I can't wait for you to dive in and hear your feedback.